Welcome to FiberMall's 800G OSFP AEC product video. The 800G OSFP AEC can transmit up to 5 meters reach and power consumption is less than 8 watt. The modules integrates heat sinks for high power thermal control and compliance with various standards. This product is ideal for data center switches. (800G OSFP AEC modules plugged into the switch. Green light indicates successful connection. After successful connection, you can check the module information through commands. If you have any questions, please consult the FiberMall website.